I spent about 15 years thinking that I was absolutely non-artistic. And then I kind of dove back into art in my late 20s and just took a ton of different art classes, calligraphy, ceramics.
One of the things that people on our expert series commonly say is their experiences with mentorship. Would you mind speaking a little bit about if you had any mentors who helped you through developing your own creative process and coming into your own as a creator?
Oh my goodness, I've had so many people along the way. Regarding as a creator, well, gosh, my first calligraphy teachers, certainly. I had a ceramics teacher. I only did ceramics for a few semesters when I was getting back into art in my late 20s, but those classes were very impactful. I took a bunch of classes when I was getting, I spent about 15 years thinking that I was absolutely non-artistic. And then I kind of dove back into art in my late 20s and just took a ton of different art classes, calligraphy, ceramics. And all of those people really had an impact on me. I'm trying to think of who else. And then like business-wise, I've taken a number of Lego Serious Play certifications, and my trainer is a huge mentor to me in business and creativity. Her name is Jackie Lloyd-Smith at Strategic Play, the Strategic Play Group in Whistler, Canada. It's just like, I just have had so many people who've had a big impact on my life. It would be impossible to name all of them.